You have consistently refused to answer any questions about your own goings-on or going-ons, or your party's going-ons, or the links with a lot of dubious characters over the last number of years. A lot of dubious characters. Now, don't you? Now, Deputy Adams, don't come in here, you, above all people, and accuse Minister Michael.
I have a mandate to be here. I have a duty to hold you to account.
Yes, you have. Yes, you have a mandate, and you are not fulfilling your mandate. You're not telling the truth about a whole range of issues on your own side. That's a different argument. Now, don't come in here with your mandate and accuse Minister Michael Noonan of deliberately hiding something that the public should know. Don't do that, because this government got rid of the rotten carcass that was Anglo-Irish Bank. That cost the taxpayer of this country $34 billion, and the framework that was set up in respect of IBRC was set up by the previous administration. Now,